Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm hungry again, as you can see, and I'm gonna make something that you already saw in the thumbnail and the description. It is confetti cake in a mug. If you recognize this orange price sticker, you know it's from Big Lots. So I was in Big Lots the other day and I wanted to make something simple, already in a box. Let me fix this. I wanted to make something simple, already in a box. I'm not the type of person that makes stuff from scratch. I just don't do that. But if it's in a box and it has no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors, and real ingredients, then it's perfect for me. So let's try making that. I have the ingredients right here. All we need is milk, and that's it. And milk, and a mug. Okay, so let's open it up. And there's 4 pouches in this. Okay. So it says empty contents of pouch into a microwave safe mug. That's this. Smells good. That's white, so you can't see it on camera. But that's the confetti cake mix. And then 3 tablespoons of water or milk. I'm going to use milk. One, 2, 3. Stir it until the batter is smooth. Still kind of chunky, so we're going to use a little more milk. That's like 2 more tablespoons. I don't know, I want this to be moist. It's done. Not sure if you can see it clearly since it's white, but it's done. It looks like it has a cake texture. Okay, so let's try it. Well, that part is good, but let's try it for real. It tastes like cake, but I feel like I would eat this with ice cream. And I have ice cream. I really like cake. I like ice cream with like chunky cake batter mix, or you know, that kind of ice cream and dessert. So it tastes really good. The cake does taste good by itself, but my preference is to eat it with something like ice cream. That's really good. Very, very good. I love that it's not overly sweet at all. I love desserts, but I don't like super sugary, unhealthy desserts. I like desserts, but I like it for it to be healthy, or at least a healthy alternative. And one small serving so you don't have to like feel guilty about it. And as much as I love desserts, I also love water, like ice cold water. So that's like a good balance of healthy and not so healthy. But this is my happy place. All done.